Hey guys, Mr. Technology Nerd here with an unboxing of the Logitech Bluetooth Easy Switch keyboard for Mac, iPad, and iPhone. The reason why this keyboard's for Mac, iPad, and iPhone is because it has those keys, the command keys, the Apple keys. They also have the Easy Switch keyboard for Windows, which is also Bluetooth. So this keyboard is actually pretty awesome. It's an illuminated keyboard actually, and it's over Bluetooth. It's very nice looking. It's aluminum. You can easily switch between your Apple devices, and you can type at day or night because of the backlit keyboard, and rechargeable convenience with the micro USB cable included. And once again, like it says over there, is real aluminum. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, and just a thanks to Logitech for sending this out for me to review. And now that we slid that out, so here we have the keyboard itself. And Logitech actually does a nice job with packaging its products. Just gonna go ahead and put this aside for now, and just look at what's in the box. So here we have the micro USB charging cable to charge the onboard battery. We have some manuals and important information, safety, warranty, all that kind of stuff. Let's get to the prize right here, and that is the keyboard. So as you can see, this is all real aluminum. Has like the chiclet keyboard feel. Does not have that numpad, of course. Trying to keep it small, low profile, so it does not have that numpad, but it is a very nice looking keyboard. Some closer looks here. Has all the function keys on top to go with Mac. Has your command key and your option key, which also goes on Mac. All your Apple keys. The on switch is right here. Let's see if this thing is charged. Okay. And as you can see here, you have 3 devices you can connect to, which none are connected right now, but in the review we'll definitely connect them up. I believe this is keyboard illumination, I'm not sure. Trying to see which one's keyboard illumination. That might be screen brightness on Mac. And again, this is screen brightness on Mac, so I'm not exactly sure what actually illuminates the keys yet, but I'll definitely get into it during the review. But you can definitely see that this keyboard is definitely nice looking, and I will definitely have a review up on it soon to check out the illuminated keys and just how it works over Bluetooth. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and to like us and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, all that fun stuff. And to remember to have a good one.